There are several ways how you can duplicate the page, but I will show you the easiest way. If you have Elementor, you go to page what you would like to duplicate, for example this page, and you press, when you are logged in, edit with Elementor. For example, I would like to copy this contact page to new page. The simplest way is to click here, press save as template, then I write template name, save, and what I'm doing here is I am saving this page, this contact page, as template, and now I can use this template in any other page. Yeah? I will open admin, we'll go to pages, we'll add a new page. For example, this page will be support, publish, edit is Elementor, and now to add the same content that was in contact page, I click this folder, then I click to my templates. Here I see contacts template, I press insert, apply, and now I have the same content as I had in contact page, in this support page. Here, for example, I can change text if I want, and save. And this is how easy it is to duplicate page in Elementor. Yeah.